ninth, map our companion. Okay. What is map? A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface according to a scale. It could be hand drawn or a printed. It can be a hand drawn or a printed map. Okay, it helps us definite identify the place and location within an area, helping us to navigate from one place to another. Navigate means we are going from one place to another. They are showing us from where we are going from one place to another. Who help us? A map, exact place and the location. So what is map? A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. It is drawn on a flat surface. Flat means पूरा बोलते हैं ना टेबल की तरह flat. Okay, according to a scale. It could be a hand drawing or printed. It helps us identify the place and location within an area, helping us to navigate from one to another. Now, the land in our environment is not of the same height. The land, हमारे आजू बाजू में land ऊपर नीचे है. It's not a evenness. Unevenness means over the ऊपर नीचे. Okay, not the same. Gives rise to land shapes. The unevenness gives rise to the various land shapes, creating landforms such as mountain, valleys, plateau, plains, and island. You have studied this in the third chapter, okay, about the land, about the mountain, about the various landform I told you, mountain, valley, plateau, plains, and island. Okay, about this we have studied in chapter number 3. For a proper understanding of our environment, it is necessary to study the physical or natural setup of the land. Okay, to know our impact, what is there beside us or हमारे आजू बाजू में क्या है environment में. So what we have going to study, it is necessary to study the physical or natural setup of the land. In standard 4th, when we learned about maps, we saw a 5000 years old map. Okay, in standard 4th, when we are learning about the maps, we saw the 5000 years old map. This means that man has felt the needs to make maps since ancient time. Means man is यूजफुल मीन्स बोलते हैं ना उनको हैबिट हो गई थी मैप बनाने की. कहाँ कब कब से ये हम चला आ रहा है. 5000 years old map is also there. 500 साल पुराना, 5000 साल नॉट 500, 5000 साल पुराना मैप भी है. मीन्स तब से मैप कौन बना रहा है? आदमी लोग बना रहे. ओके, एट दैट टाइम मैप्स आर मेनली यूज इन वॉर्स. फॉर व्हाट पर्पस दे आर यूजिंग? फॉर द वॉर पर्पस. While fighting a battle, it is important to have a detailed knowledge of the terrain. Did you saw that picture? Bahubali. They also made a map from where we should go and all that. उन्होंने मैप बनाया था. कैसे बनाया था उन्होंने? पुतला has to keep the soldiers over there, small soldiers. Okay, toy soldier was keeping over there. This was a door and all that. They has to make that type of map. Okay, पहले के जमाने में वैसा मैप बनाया जाता था. It helps working out strategies of defending the enemy. Maps were very useful for these purposes. For this purpose, for the fighting purposes, for the battle, the maps are very useful. Taking into account the difference in the height, then about the height, the length and the breadth of a landform can be easily shown on the piece of. However, it's not exactly shown on the piece of a paper. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ measurement वहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं on the paper of a map. For making the map, we can write on a measurement only. But exactly, if you want to see, we should go there in that places. Okay? सिर्फ हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कि ये इतना मीटर है, वो उतना मीटर है, पर exactly we cannot show that much meter on the map. तो कितना बड़ा पेपर लगेगा अगर आप लोग को ऐसे exactly लिखना पड़ेगा तो नहीं हो सकता है इतना लिखने के लिए. So they are only writing a meter or a length. Okay, that much only shown on a piece of a paper. However, the height and the depth cannot be shown as easily. There are there are different methods of showing the elevation or height of the land. contour line method and layer tinting method. Digital elevation model our purposes. We are using the digital map. Okay, we are using the digital map. Contour line method. Now we will see about the contour line method. This method is used to show the unevenness of the land formed on the map. Unevenness means ऊपर नीचे. Okay. The height of the land is measured from sea level. कहाँ से your height of the land is measured from the sea level purposes. Okay. Next, of the same height are identified. Their position is marked accurately on the map. These locations are joined. Such lines are called contour line. Okay. See map number A. Can textbook children everyone map number A over there? Map number A of page number 39. Map number A. Can you see the contour line? In virtual 100 meter is given over there. So meters are given over there. Okay. Okay. In the map, lines are drawn. What is drawn? Lines are drawn. See the map A. In the map, lines are drawn over there. Each joining places of a specific height. Okay, this way, the relief of the land can be easily shown. It helps us to understand the slope of the land. ऊपर नीचे ऊपर होगा तो ऊपर जाना है नीचे आएगा means that is the slope over there and height of different places are given over there. See here different places and a meters is given over there. 100 meters, 200 meters from here, 200 meters in here, then 300 meters, then comes down again over there. Everything is given by in the meter. This is called a contour line method. Then comes another one. Observe the given diagram, page number 40. Just see the page number 40 of your textbook, contour line method. Observe the given diagram. Note that when there is a less distance between the contour line, when there is a less distance between the contour line, okay, the slope is stepped. Whereas if the distance are great, the slope is gentle. Can you see this? This is the less distance over there. This is the less distance over there. और यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ज़्यादा distance है. This is less. Okay. Then this is more. Then what is the between contour line? The slope is steep. The slope is steep है जरा कम है. Okay वहाँ पर. Where has the distance greater? The slope is gentle. यहाँ पे gentle है. यहाँ पे क्या है? Steep है. जगह. Okay. Like this. Then comes a layer tinting method. This was the contour line method. Okay, now we will see the layer tinting method. This is the second method of map. Then comes this method is based on the contour line. This method is helpful for the means oh best case per dependent on the contour line. This is called. See, the green color is given for the what purpose? For the grass, trees, and all that. Then comes another colors are given. Each and every color is given over there. Can you see again that colors heights in the meters are given over there? Page number 40. Just see your textbook also, children. Okay. This method is on the contour line. In this method, the space between the contour lines are filled with the color. जो space contour line के इसमें वो किससे भरा पड़ा है? किससे भरने पड़े हम लोग? With the help of the color between the contour line are filled with the color. We are filling with the color. Each color indicates a specific height. Each color indicates a specific height. For example, water bodies are colored with the blue color. Why the water body is colored with the blue color? Children, can anybody tell me in the chat box? Can anybody tell me in the chat box why we are coloring the water body with the blue color? Blue color से हम लोग क्यों उसको color करते हैं? Come on, tell me in the chat box. Okay, let me see. Come on, tell me. Because the water color is blue, so we are giving it a blue color. So we are giving it a blue color. Okay. When has the adjoining land? Yeah, that is blue. What is blue? Okay, good. Where has the adjoining land is colored dark green. Why it is green over there? Did you saw that where there are trees and all that grasses are there, we are giving which color? क्योंकि उसका कलर ही ग्रीन है इसलिए दैट सो वी आर ड्राइंग अ ग्रीन कलर इन द मैप ऑल्सो सो वी कैन एग्जैक्टली नो दैट देयर इज अ ग्रीनरी ओवर देयर इज अ लैंड ओवर देयर where there is a blue color so we can understand exactly that there is a water over there, okay, like jungle, okay, has green color, okay, tree has a green color, okay, no problem. Land higher than that is colored a lighter green. Next higher land is colored yellow, and so on. Land higher than that is colored with a which color? Lighter color, means thoda sa light green color. Okay. Then next higher land is covered with the yellow and so on. जैसे जैसे हम लोग ऊपर जाते हैं उसका कलर चेंज हुआ जाता है. Means we can know exactly which place is this. Okay, like that. अंडरस्टूड द लेयर चेंजिंग मेथड में क्या देना है कलर्स देना है वी आर गोइंग टू गिव अ कलर ओवर देयर study the given color index note how the colors changes with the height see the color changes over there in the page number 40 of your textbook changes with the height the color between the contour lines shows up the difference in the physical setup. Okay. See map B on the page number 39. Can you see the map B? It is given. Yeah, wide is for more than 4088 meter. ये B पे दिया जैसे दिया हुआ है. I have shown that also map over there. Okay, map set number map B over there. Then now we are going to see about the third method, that is a digital elevation model. Okay, this is the most important method. In this, the information obtained through the man-made satellite is present with the help of the computer. It is a digital. Nowadays, we are using which map? We are using digital map only. Without map, we can't go anywhere. Okay. See map C. In it, we can directly observe the difference in the height of the landform. Maps made using the above methods help us to understand the physical setup of a region. In other words, they give us an idea of its height, relief, and slope. Using computer, we can even find the height of each point on a digital map. फिजिकल मैप्स फिजिकल मीन्स जो हाथ से बनाया हुआ रहता है फिजिकली मीन्स जो हाथ से बनाया हुआ रहता है मैप ओके इफ यू हैविंग अ मैप फिजिकली यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम द शॉप ऑल्सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ फिजिकल जो हाथ से बनाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं फिजिकली मैप फिजिकल मैप कैन बी यूज इन ऑपरेशन कहाँ पे यूज होता है इन द मिलिट्री operation who is using that a military person is using that for the tourism purpose also for drawing up mountaineer routes also in making regional development planes also this is a which map is used for this a physical map is used for what purposes for military operation tourism drawing up mountaineers routes in making regional development planes etc the digital map is used for what purposes understanding the physical setup of region then relief height okay and everything a slope this is used for us nowadays we are using a digital but before what they are using a physical map they are using for what purpose they are using the physical map again I am saying you for the military operation tourism drawing up mountaineers routes etc okay regional development plans do you know children nowadays many modern methods of making maps have been developed previously relief was shown using the hill standing technique okay hill standing technique the map gives below is an example of this as I had told you that bahubali in that picture this was the see how they are making this like this yes or no ऐसा बनाया था तुम लोग यहाँ से जाओगे एंड ऑल दैट यू दिस इज अ गेट यू विल एंटर फ्रॉम योर दिस इज another one gate you will stand over there and if enemy comes inside then you're going to attack over there each and everything was shown in this map okay before it was there previously it was there like that but now it's not like that exactly हम लोग बोलेंगे लोकेशन बताओ इट्स आर गोइंग टू शो अस अ लोकेशन इट्स page number 41 Okay, conventional signs and symbols. This is a main part of the map. Without this signs and symbol, a map is not at all used. ये साइन और सिंबल नहीं रहेंगे मैप में तो कुछ भी यूज नहीं है. For the purpose of hospital, which sign is given over there, children? Can you tell me? For the purpose of समझो मुझे जाना है हॉस्पिटल तो कौन सी साइन देते हैं? Someone tell me in the chat box. Plus, very good, Manasvi Tiwari, Aniket Mandale. Thank you for this. Okay, very good. Conventional signs. Signs are used to show various things on maps has per conventions. For our purpose, it is very nice that we can know. पापा नहीं पापा यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है मीन्स यहाँ पे हॉस्पिटल है. ओके, अभी हॉस्पिटल का इट्स अ विच कलर प्लस साइन इज गिवन? कैन यू टेल मी एनीवन? हॉस्पिटल के लिए प्लस साइन तो रहता है पर कौन से कलर में रहता है? Red color. Very good. And in the form of the medical purpose, which color plus sign is there? No, Tanishka. Yes, Swara Shinde. For medical purpose, is a green color. Okay. Everyone knows this. Very good, children. Okay. Means each and different places having a different signs also and colors also. ये तो तुमको लोगों को समझा. There are in the forms of letter also or geometrical shapes also. For example, lines, circles, triangle, dots, etc. Each and everyone knows this about this now clearly. Signs कैसे रहते हैं? Letter form में रहते हैं या फिर geometrical shape में रहते हैं. Okay. For example, lines, circles, triangles, dots, etc. Now we will see the conventional symbols. Symbols are used to show the various things on a map as per convention. Symbols are miniature drawing of the respective object. For example, temple. Now temple, mosque, fort होना है वहाँ पे I want to go to for temple. Then how which sign will be there for temple? एक घर बनाया रहेगा और उसके ऊपर एक झंडा लगाया गया होगा. ओके, फॉर द मॉस्क्यूज ऑफ चर्च होगा तो वहां पे क्रॉस होगा, मॉस्क्यू होगा तो वहां पे चांद होगा. ओके, मीन्स आई एग्जैक्टली आई नो व्हाट इज दैट प्लेस. दिस इज कॉल्ड द सिंबल्स ओवर गिवन देयर. या ओलंपिक हैज अ सर्कल, 3 to 4 सर्कल्स आर देयर फॉर द ओलंपिक. सो मुझे पता चलेगा अभी ओलंपिक चल रहा है यहाँ पर. ओके, लाइक दैट सेम द सिंबल्स आर गिवन फॉर द अनदर places. The use of signs and symbol in a map helps the reader to get information about the place on the map. The list of the things that the signs and symbol represent is given in the map. Can you see this picture over 42 page number? Battle field is given means talwar diya hua hai, railway. Can you see this? Okay, I will show you. Well, dot is given over there, spring plus is given there, triangulation marks are given there. Study the list of some of the symbols used by the Survey of India while making a map. These are the symbols. See, for the post office, PO. Harbor means जहाँ पे बोट उतारी जाती है वहाँ पे arrow over there, down arrow, lighthouse, then fort, burial ground means जहाँ पे करते हैं दफनाया जाता है, international boundary line as okay. Ground is given to the up and down. Then roads, mine, reserve, forest, lake, contour lines are given over there. Grasses are green color given over there. Settlement जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं and all the different types of shape, size, symbols are given over there. Okay. Okay, do you know this is the main part? Okay, about the navy survival of India. The Survey of India is the foremost map making institute in India. Which what is the name of the map making in India institute name in the India? It is Survey of India. The name of the map making institute is the Survey of India. Is the foremost map making institute in India. It was established in 1767. When it was established in 1767. This institute has made a large number of topographic maps of the Indian subcontinent on various scale by conducting field survey. These maps are known as the world over for their accuracy. The instituent headquarters are in the Dehradun in Uttarakhand. कहाँ पे है इसका headquarter? Dehradun in Uttarakhand, where Survey of India. The name of the institute is what? Survey of India. When it was established in 1707. Okay, it was established in 1767. So what we have learned today about the introduction of landform, method of showing physical, uh, sci- physiography, the use of color to show height, the use of conventional signs and symbols. This was our lesson. I hope everyone understood the chapter.